because there's nothing here except granite. Oh well, maybe I'll just go here. You. Woo! Oh, oh yeah. All I did was hit rocks. Woo! Just see how much snow there is here. Holy crap. Wow, look at this. Maybe I'll dig a path first. Wow. This is the most snow I've ever seen here. Wow. This crazy amount of snow. All right, let's go. I wanted to ski down the stairs, but they came and shoveled it, so I can't. We're gonna go right from here. Right from the parking lot. This is something you just dream about doing. You can't make this up. Wow. Okay, this is bizarre. It's so cool. I imagine I'm gonna be having a bit of a struggle though. There's a nice skin track set for me here. One of the vehicles that have gone in and out. And they probably already. And these skins are pretty beat, so I don't really care about them too much. Oh, this is not going to be easy. How deep that is. Oh, I made it to the top of the road, and it's and I'll tell you, it's kind of warm here, so you can't really ski it. And it's not very steep. So hopefully there's some foot tracks, dog walkers and stuff. But it's warm. That's one thing about sea level. It's warm. Okay, now it's gonna be a slog. Look at the snow. Can't imagine it'll be as much under the trees. Yeah, even under here it's a bit less, but all right, I'm on jacks. Now the plan is to go up Icy Hole of Death. I don't think anybody's coming riding down it. I think I'm good. It's beautiful in here though. I'm turning up the Icy Hole of Death. I usually only ride Icy Hole of Death if I ride Grinch Toes. It's basically the way out. I've never gone up it. And I'm definitely going over some logs. And the snow bombs are starting to happen. I'm probably going to get clobbered a few times, I think. So, I'm a bit confused at the moment. So, I'm just going to use trail forks here and get my location. Because I'm kind of like, there's Icy Hole. Oh, there's Added Death. Love the names. Grinch Toes, which I passed. So I'm on it, but I don't know if I go up there. Must be. But there's definitely a signpost over there. Oh no, it's just a piece of wood. Never mind. Well, I successfully made it up Icy Hole of Death. And I think right here is where value added is finished. So I think I'm right at the bottom of value added now. Or it might be up a little more, but not much. Over the bridge. And back up we go. Luckily, you know what? I haven't had to take my skis off yet. Close, but have not. I'm at the bottom of the value added and the penthouse start over here. And I'm honestly hoping that when I'm in the open, there's more snow, because this is ski destroying. And yeah, but here's the last rock roll. And I'm probably going to have to boot pack a bit, I would imagine. It's going to get a lot steeper here. A lot steeper. So this is the first spot I thought I would have to boot pack on. And I probably do. I don't know. Let's try there first. Maybe I can get up here and get a kick turn in. This is pretty straight up. And oh, that's the tree they cut out. Oh. Wow. Okay, got through there. Oh, gonna turn here. Oh, I might make this. Cool. Oh, that's all probably ice under there. So I'm not gonna make that. All right, I'm probably gonna wipe out there coming back down too, and try and not fall down here. It's deep here. Holy. Oh. Wow, my gloves are soaked now. Okay, let's see if we can get these suckers back on. Wow, I made that one. There's one more, the main slab one coming up. But look at the open here, so much more snow. Well, I made it to the bottom of this big slab here. I wonder if I can get up this without taking my skis off. There's a chance if I do this right. I can go crisscross. Oh yeah, I can crisscross a few times here. That was good. Oh, you gotta watch out for these roots, they're deadly. If you remember last March, shit! Ow! I hit a little root right here and slammed on the bike. Ended up 8 weeks of hospital care. Well, not much fun. Let's not do that again. Oh, what a crazy adventure this one is. I don't know if I'm getting across this. Oh, maybe into the trees. That was, I thought, a good choice, but no. This is solid rock. I'm gonna wreck my skis so bad. I don't know if this is any better. Looking for alternatives here. Getting across there, not any good. Oh, or something. I don't want to start sliding. Oh, yeah, this is solid under here. I just want to get over there. And I know this is a big root, I think. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I made it. Whew. Flip. All right, well, honestly, this looks good. People rode their bikes on here last week. I want to come right down through there, so kind of don't want to disturb that. Let's see. Oh, yeah, this is good. Maybe not. It's not like the slope I care about. It's the, I know this is all rock.